Today we are making fattoush. Let's see how we make it together. Now we will start with the fattoush. But there is something happened. I don't know what is the name of this vegetable. They call it in Netherlands filled sla. Dat is in Netherlands. En dat. Sorry. When I eat vegetable like this, my wife, she start do meh. What is it nice? Please, in the comment, let me know what is in English filled sla. Fattoush is actually, it is nice. It's Arabic salad. So we have here Lebanon bread, Arabic bread. I'll explain. We have here some filled salad. We put it in the bowl. We cut the tomato. It's important in fattoush how you cut the vegetable, how you cut the tomato, how you like to cut them. Fattoush, you have to cut everything. It's a little bit big size. So we cut the tomato. I use 2 pieces of tomato, some sla, the filled sla, half of this bag, what you see in my hand. Actually, it's delicious salad and it's too easy. I use the mini cucumber. This cucumber actually is full of flavor. It's really nice and smell nice as well. So what we do, I cut them half and then too simple, too easy, too nice. And we have here 1 red onion. We just cut it half and then like this, slice, julienne. We have here half piece of yellow paprika, pepper. So what we do, we take the white, now we have this piece, we just cut it julienne, nice. And we have spring onion. 2 pieces of spring onion. We have red radish. What we do, we take this side. If you make diet, this salad is really good. What we do now, just like this, circles. And we have here 1, 2 mint. What we do, hold the mint like this, and then, sorry, we need just the leaves, so we hold it like this. See, you have leaves. Too easy. Again, we hold this one again like this, then we take it like that. So we have the leaves again. So we just put the leaves, no need to cut it, no need to do anything with it. So we have the leaves here. Look at it. Look to the colors. Look how it's nice, full of colors. It's look amazing. Wow. Lemon, the green one. We use it. It's really nice. It's really important. You little bit squeeze it like this. Why we use lime? It's really full of flavor and nice smell. It's amazing. Again, some salt. So we have lime, salt, and then we have pomegranate syrup, pomegranate sauce. We use it, but first what I want to show you what we will do with this bread. So we have 2 pieces of Lebanon bread. You can find it in any halal market or any Arab shop. So we do like this, we cut them, and then now the bread is finished, it's done, it looks nice. What we will do, paper over here, we put it on the paper so you can see it here. Now the fattoush is finished, the bread is cooked. What we add some sumac. If you want to know what is sumac, you can Google it. Sumac it's kind of flowers. We use it too much in the Arabic kitchen. Wow, the colors look really nice. I like it. And what we have to add as well, some olive oil. Normally we have to use pomegranate seed, but I'm sorry, I didn't find it in the shop. Yeah, I think it is not seasoned for it. It will really look nice with it. Really look. Also, it's delicious. But the salads look nice. So, like what we see, the paper, it's drink most of the oil. Yeah, and the bread is crispy and it's nice. But what we have here, we have pomegranate sauce. We add some pomegranate sauce on the top. Yeah. So, our fattoush, it's ready. Nice,